Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and this time it's Eid vlog. I wasn't able to post last Eid video because of my health condition. This time again I was not sure due to time constraints, but somehow managed to take a few clips here and there of a few days before Eid, on the day and after. I hope you will enjoy watching it. I had done an organizing to baby clothes of Leon before he was born, and I had published that video after he was born. He's almost 2 months old. The baby clothes have been added so much that the space isn't enough like how I managed earlier. So I needed a reorganizing for him because everything was cluttered in the drawer. It was getting hard for me to find time to fix it, so I decided to do a deep clean to our room during Eid, and it included his dress organization too. Some clothes that can't be worn now for him. All of them are gifts from friends and family. Each dress we receive is always close to our hearts. Unlike for Rihan and Arman now, I don't keep outdoor and indoor clothes separate for Leon, as it will be a waste. Babies grow fast. It's just one type of dress for him, be it at home or while taking him out. And the dresses that are more than their 8 size, I keep them in a separate box which is accessible to as to check if they fit them, or else I might forget and leave it even if they cross that size. It would be a regret. I wanted to take clips of each box I organized, but it was impossible, neither placing it in the cabinet as well. So that's what I said in the beginning. I could take clips of each day here and there, and almost incomplete. A few glimpses of days we went shopping. These videos were taken just that I wanted to keep in memory of the days my parents had come. The previous day was a fasting day, which was not mandatory like the days we fast during Ramadan. That night, mom started preparing for Eid. Most of the traditional snacks we prepare at home have almost the same batter for what we call neyappam, unyappam, kaltappam. We soak the white rice and then grind it with jaggery, and then add a few ingredients like fried onion, coconut pieces and cashews if needed. Some cardamom powder and cumin powder to add flavors. While mom was doing that, I just arranged the table with some sweets. It's always soothing to the eyes to see sweets and snacks on the table during any festive season. I don't know if you remember this. If you had watched my video long back, you might have seen this pan or whatever it's called. This is specifically made for the snack which we call unyappam, and also I think paniyarappam. And this is iron material, which I love because the taste is always better in iron vessels. I haven't used it any time. This is the first time using it, or I shall say my mom is the first person to use this here. It was seasoned well and kept in the cabinet. I was unsure if anything prepared in it would stick to the bottom or not. But this came out to be like non-stick, and the taste of this unniyappam was amazing. It was crispy on the outside and soft inside. I had mentioned in my previous Eid vlogs that we do have our Eid biryani right after we come back from morning Eid prayer. So preparation for it starts the previous night itself. Let me tell you the menu. It was beef biryani with chicken fry. This is the same preparation as how I make chicken biryani, the Malabar style. Just that beef takes more time to cook. To save time, you can prepare beef in a pressure cooker first and then add it to the biryani. But I find biryani is more flavorful when a pressure cooker isn't used. Cooking beef in the pot as such takes more time, but this method is what I prefer to use to get a good biryani. For the rice, if I'm preparing Malabar biryani, it is always Jeeragashala rice, or we call it Kaima rice. Again, a flavorful rice fit for South Indian biryanis. I fry some onions that will be used in between, but at the beginning, I saute raw onion. I like preparing biryanis in small quantities because that comes out perfect. So most probably I make biryanis for one time rather than cooking for lunch and dinner. Late night, I put henna for mom. I anyway couldn't apply it as the chemical smell would be not good for the baby. Moreover, I have very little time and all I want to do during my free time is either sleep or just simply sit and relax. Couldn't take many clips on the morning of Eid as I had slept for some time to get rid of the tiredness of late night sleeping the previous day. Standing for a long time in the kitchen, my back started aching, so I needed to rest for some time. After having the delicious biryani, we all slept or we all took a nap for some time. Then later we got out during the evening time to click a few photos and roam around. It's too hot and humid here in Muscat that any outdoor activity is uncomfortable. We went to this area named Waterfront. It was a beautiful sight to see the sunset, but it was too humid to stand there for a long time. We randomly chose a mall and decided to take a walk inside. That was a much better option.
Thank you.
My cousin had come to visit Muscat the previous day. They had come from Dubai, where it was Eid the previous day. We had it the next day. So late night they had come home to visit us. They spent some time and then left. The next day we went for a long drive to Niswa. I love this location and it felt like some places in Kerala, except that instead of the date palm we see coconut trees in Kerala. And that's all for today's video. Nothing much. Hope you all had a great time this Eid. Do share how you spent in the comment section. It would be lovely to hear from you. I read each of your comments, just that I don't have enough time to reply to everyone. See you with another video. Take care and bye-bye.